Ever been in the middle of cooking and realized you're out of eggs? Or maybe you love camping but dread the hassle of carrying fresh eggs? Well, here's the perfect solution for you. Introducing your new go-to for cooking, baking, and outdoor adventures. Judee's dried whole egg powder. With this convenient powder, you'll have the equivalent of fresh eggs ready to use in any meal, anytime, anywhere. Plus, it's 100% gluten-free. Judee's dried whole egg powder is super convenient and easy to use. Just mix 2 tablespoons of the powder with 2½ tablespoons of water, and you have the equivalent of 1 fresh egg. It's a great source of protein, making it perfect for low-carb meals backpacking, or even those busy mornings when you just don't have time for eggs. Produced from fresh eggs, less than 30 days old, and humanely sourced from UEP-certified farmers, this powder is made in the USA in a dedicated gluten-free facility, ensuring quality and freshness. It comes in a resealable pouch to keep everything fresh and ready to go. Tired of worrying about egg shortages, the mess of cracked shells, or the limited shelf life of fresh eggs? Judee's whole egg powder solves that problem. With its long shelf life, you can always have eggs at your fingertips, whether you're baking, scrambling, or making your favorite camping meal. Don't miss out on this game changer. Click the link now and grab your Judee's dried whole egg powder today. Say goodbye to the hassle of fresh eggs and simplify your cooking, whether at home or on the go. With Judee's, great meals are just a scoop away, anytime, anywhere.